Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you an update on my dahlias. It's been a while since I've given you an update on these gorgeous flowers, but I wanted to show you a couple of them that I had picked. This is our dinner plate size dahlia. Look at the size of this gorgeous flower. Look at that. And then I have a yellow one right here that you probably have seen from my previous videos. And then I have a couple of smaller size right here. These are just beautiful. Look at that. So this one right here, I don't have a name for this one. And also this one, I don't have a tag on it. It's one of those dahlias that I bought from Home Depot. But anyway, this is just beautiful. Look at that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm going to start right here on my newest box of dahlia. This one is called Lights Out. Look at this gorgeous flower. A combination of kind of a reddish and dark right here. There's another one. Beautiful. And next to Lights Out is Chewy. Chewy has this interesting purple in the middle. Beautiful. So it's end of August, and a lot of my flowers are slowing down, and that includes the dahlias. The dahlias are also slowing down. This one right here is called Honeydew. Look at this beautiful flower. It does have the honeydew shade there. Gorgeous. And then over here I have a new dahlia. I had another dahlia here before, and I changed it to this beautiful flower called Babylon Red. And this is almost like a dinner plate dahlia. It's beautiful. Look at how big it is. Okay, so this one is called Gets Crazy. Beautiful. It's like yellow on the outside, and then there's like this reddish on the underside over here. Beautiful. This one is called Karma Chalk. Here's another one. Beautiful. This one is called Cornell. Beautiful. It's kind of reddish. Over here is my other dinner plate dahlia. And you've seen me feature this dahlia in the past. But look at how beautiful this is. And there are other smaller ones right here. This one. There's another one right here. Just beautiful. There's one more right here. This one right here is called Black Satin. See if I can show you another black satin right here. There we go. Beautiful. So now I'm in my other dahlia box. And this one right here is called Crichton Honey. Look at this beautiful, perfect looking dahlia. A dahlia called Wildcat. So this is when it gets a little older. When it's younger, it looks like this. Look at this beautiful color. So intensely red on the side right here. Here's another one over here. Isn't that beautiful? Here's another newer one right here. And then as it gets older, it looks like this. And then next to Wildcat is Midnight Moon. Isn't it beautiful? It's purple on the side. And then when it gets older, it's just white. So when it first starts to bloom, it has those little purple tinge on the side, and then it becomes whiter. Look at that. You see, this one is called Rebecca Lynn. It's a smaller dahlia, but look how beautiful that pattern is. Got some more over here. So I also wanted to show you, in the same box as my dahlia is a lily, and I don't have a name for this lily, but I wanted to show you how beautiful it is, and it's very fragrant. It's really tall too. Look at this. I have 3 of them. Here's another one, and it's starting to bloom now. So it's a fall, I guess late summer bloomer. I got some more that will be coming in a few days here. Just beautiful. Let me see if I could show you the other one, kind of hiding right there. And this is the last dahlia I wanted to show you. I don't have a name for this one, but this is very prolific. It has a lot of flowers on it. Look at this. A lot of flower on this one. Beautiful. Here's another group of them. Look at that. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.